Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Descript for script to video editing. Quick tutorial step. Navigate to the Descript website using your preferred web browser. Look for the prominent Sign Up button on the homepage. Click on the Sign Up button to initiate the registration process. You will be presented with several registration options. Choose to register using either your Google account or your email address. If you select the email option, enter your email address in the provided field. Next, create a secure password for your account. Once you have entered your email and password, click on the Get Started or Continue button. If you registered with your email, check your inbox for a verification email from Descript. Open the verification email and click on the link to confirm your account. After verification, you will be redirected to a setup page. Fill out your profile information as prompted, including your name and any other requested details. Once your profile details are complete, click Next or Continue. In the next step, you may be asked to select a subscription plan. Review the available plans and choose one that best fits your needs. If you prefer to start with a free trial, select that option. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your subscription selection. After your plan is set, you will be directed to the Descript dashboard. Take a moment to explore the interface and familiarize yourself with the available features. You are now successfully registered with Descript and ready to start script to video editing. Remember to check the tutorials and resources within the platform to maximize your editing experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.